Come to all fours. Spine neutral. Let's begin with one dog. Swing left leg, right hand, lift it up. Down. That side. Begin. Can count. And come each side. Body raised. Keep going. 8 more times. Enjoy the moment. Go slow. Toes will be pointed. Last flow. Last 3. Look at body stable. Last 1. Inhale, exhale. Mark for the bell and inbound. Relax. Into neutral position. Inhale, exhale. Spine neutral. Nail. Arch to the back. Look out. Exhale, chin for chest. Squeeze using the legs. Arch your back. Up. Exhale. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Up. Exhale. 5 more times. Up. Finger stretch to the tailbone. Slow for the breaths. Look up. Take the last 3. Relax. Come to Vajrasana. Take 3 long breaths. Come back. On the standing position. Use your weights. Hold on the weight. You'll be doing raises. Extend your arm. Raise your heel up, down. Release, raise your hips up, down, up, down, up, down. If you want, take a wall support. Come near to the wall and take the support and go up and down, up, release, down. You can do it. Last 2. Up, down, last on, relax. Now beginning, raising your hands side and up. Keep your pulling wrist, raise your hands up, down, up, straight, down, down, side, up, down, down. Going gaze. Look straight. Relax. Next, we will bring vertical carrier. Inhale. And just hold one weight and other hand on the breast. Lift it up, down, up, down, up, down. 3 more rounds. You're engaged. Last one side. You know, these all are bit more for you. Reduce the count if you want. This is really good for your shoulder and your arm. Last. Relax. Keep the leg aside. Lie down on your back. Your knees bend, feet near to the head. Lower back, flatten with the floor, fully engaged. Take 3 on deep breath. Now let's come to the position of the part. If you have C-section less than 6 months, just lift your leg up and down, up and down. Otherwise, when you put the leg at 90 degrees, keep your hands up parallel to each other. Full gaze. So the opposite way. Back. Close more. The left at 90 degrees. Go slow. When you engage your core, this will be a bit easy to perform. So bounce. First. Now, use both the legs near your hip. Inhale, exhale, slowly open, close, full engaged, lift your hips up and stay. Stay for 10 count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 2, 1, back. Hip width aside, extend your head. Relax, 30 seconds. To all fours. Spine neutral. Let's begin with one dog. Left leg, right hand, lift it up. Jump. Back side. Begin. Can count. Then come each side. Fully engaged. Keep going. 8 more times. Give a moment. Go slow. Toes will be winded, touch floor. Touch 3. Keep your body stable. Touch 1. Inhale, exhale. Mark for the breath and inbound. Relax. Open into position. Inhale, exhale. Spine neutral. Inhale. Arch your lower back. Look out. Exhale, tip the chest. Squeeze your lips. Arch your back. Up. Exhale. May look up. Exhale. Up. Exhale. 5 more times. Up. Feel the stretch in the tailbone. Slow celebrates. Without the back straight. Open. Once. Turn to Diastasis. Take 3 long breaths. Come back on the standing position. Use your weights Hold both the weight. You'll be doing thin edges. Extend your arm. Raise your heel up, down. Release. Raise your hips up, down, up, down, up, down. If you want, take a wall support. Come near to the wall and take the support and go up and down, up, pulling waist, down. You can do it, last two, up, down, last down. Relax. I'll be doing raising your hands side and up. Keep your pulling waist, lift your hands up, down, up, straight, down, down, side, up, down, down. Pulling waist. Look straight. That's next. We will be doing carrier. Inhale. You just hold one weight and other hand on the wrist. Lift it up, down, up, down, up, down. Few more rounds. You're engaged. That's one side. You know, this is all that. It more for you. Reduce the count if you want. This is really good for your shoulder and your arm. Last, relax. Keep the weight aside. Lie down on your back. Your knees bend, feet near to the hip. Roll back, flatten with the floor, fully engaged. Feet straight, arm deep back. Now let's come to the position, protect part. If you have C-section less than 6 months, just lift your leg up and down, up and down. Otherwise, you need to put it at 90 degrees. Keep your hands up, back and forth. Each other will gaze. So the opposite shoulder. Back. Push forward. You can let it 90 degrees. The floor. When you are engaging core, this will be a bit easy to perform. 4 rounds. First. Now, use both the weights near your hip. Inhale, exhale, squeeze over the blows, fully engaged, lift your hip up, hips up, and stay. Stay for 10 count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 2, 1, back. Keep weights aside, extend your leg. Relax, 30 seconds. Move around. Take a sip of water. Take 6 long deep breaths. Relax yourself.